The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch 169 in effect until 10 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following areas. In Colorado, this watch includes 2 counties in east central Colorado, Elbert, Lincoln. This includes the cities of Elizabeth, Kiowa, and Lemon. Primary threats include scattered large hail likely with isolated very large hail events to 2 inches in diameter, possible isolated damaging wind gusts to 70 miles an hour, possible a tornado or 2 possible. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Severe thunderstorms can and occasionally do produce tornadoes.